Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas prices on August the 30th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $2.142. And I told you that we have a potential setup. It was quite risky, but it was on the table at that very moment. We had to accumulate the position to the downside with the potential upside of up to 14.5%. with the tight stop loss slightly below this bottom at about $1.88 mark. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point at $2.142. We had the first movement to the downside that didn't break this bottom. We had an attempt to hit the price target and we failed. We had another possibility to re-enter and to add to the long position, and we pretty much hit the range of resistance that I marked previously. And for now we are hovering again exactly at $2.142, and I have to admit that this setup was very risky, and in general my main assumption was that we have to break this range in order to confirm that we are on uptrend. To complete, let's switch to 4 hours time frame, to complete the top of our fifth wave that might land at its previous swing high, at least right here at $3.147. Unfortunately, so far it didn't happen, the breakout above these ranges, but in general I have to say that natural gas prices are quite positive for now. And guys, if you want to read the charts easily like I can, you can definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, guys, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
So guys, and let's take a look again on the price action in general. I have to say that from the very beginning of this year we have quite messy movements. I changed my forecast for this price action at least twice, because we broke several crucial points that shouldn't be broken. But in general, I have to say that natural gas prices, in my opinion, for now are more bullish than bearish. And let me show you some fundamental news. So we are on tradingeconomics.com, and let me quote you the most recent update. US natural gas futures rose toward $2.2 per MMBTU amid fresh signs of robust demand for gas-intensive demand for cooling. The country's Midwest region saw record high temperatures over the weekend, with over 60 million people receiving alerts for intense heat, increasing activity for air conditioners. In the meantime, investors continued to assess domestic levels of gas supply for the year following a slowdown in LNG exports. US LNG plants shipped 26 cargoes during the week that ended August 28th, as pipeline deliveries decreased from the prior week, aiding domestic availability and coinciding with the fresh shutdown in Texas Freeport LNG export plant for routine maintenance. In the meantime, US utilities added a smaller than expected 35 billion cubic feet of natural gas storage for the week ending August 23rd, the same as in the previous period. This build pushed storage levels 12.1% above the 5-year average, reflection and ongoing supply surplus. So guys, I have to say that despite the fact that the storage levels is 12.1% above the 5-year average, we have quite short and medium-term bullish catalysts for LNG. That is why, guys, in my opinion, we might see the trend continuation on the upcoming week. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? First of all, the crucial point for this asset right now is this pretty much double bottom pattern. If this range holds about which is at about $1.885, we might see the next leg to the upside. Otherwise, guys, if this asset breaks it again, as you can see from, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and let me delete this tool, I don't need it right now. If I pull this, if I pull it from the bottom to the top, we broke or almost broke the 0.786 fib level. And according to the Elliott wave theory, if this asset, if the asset breaks the 0.786 retracement level, it means that we have not more than 10% of potential trend reversal if it lands somewhere lower. And in this case, guys, definitely the breakout is not so anticipated. And in this case, if it happens, we might harbor for a longer period of time at lower ranges at about $1.6 to $1.8. But so far, I have to say that we have more bullish signs on the market. And let me show you one of them. If the contract switch shows the increase in price of the underlying asset on the futures of futures contracts, you can anticipate much higher prices for the next period. And the period is ending, let me show you, somewhere at the end of September, which means we still have about 20 days, almost 3 weeks for its potential movement to the upside. And 3 weeks technically might be not enough to hit the top of our fifth wave right here at the basically double top pattern at $3.149. But if this breakout happens, we might have up to, let me show you, let's pull the fib retracement tool from this point. At this time, let me delete this tool. At this time, from this bottom, from this top to this bottom, and we might land at following levels: 0.382, 0.5, or the golden pocket range. The most probable range of trend reversal, if the price hit this level, is this one, and it means from the current price we might have up to 27% of upside potential with a downside potential of 11%. Definitely it is not the best risk to reward ratio, but guys, as usual, if you accumulate your position on the movement to the downside, you can definitely reduce your risks by, let's say, 8% if it reaches about $2.04 mark, and it will increase your upside potential to almost 32%. This means the risk to reward ratio becomes more lucrative, and you can enter your long position with this setup. But so far, I have to say that we have to see more bullish news that might drive the price of natural gas futures higher. And definitely, this asset is one of the riskiest assets on the market. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.